When taking the pager out of the rack, make sure that the screen is clear and the lock catch is in the up position. In the down position, the back will remove, which is of no use to you in an emergency. Occasionally your clip may become loose. You can snap it back into position like so. When you're placing the pager back in the rack, push it in firmly and it'll make a beep to let you know it is charging. In order to set off a medical emergency, press the button here twice in rapid succession. It'll come on the screen, Med Alert. In order to set off a psych emergency, press and hold the button for at least a second. You'll get a psych emergency come on the screen and a sounder. This helps people locate you. To silence the sounder, press the button on the side. You can put the A71 into self-test mode, which you should do at the start of every shift. First of all, press the test button, accept, yes, and wait. You have now entered the test mode. Set off an emergency, in this case a medical. And now wait for confirmation. There we have confirmation. Test alarm. We're at the consultant's historic entrance. And now alarms are now active again. In order for the A71 to track your location around the hospital, it is key that the infrared panel remains unobstructed at all times. So you must wear it on the outside of your clothing, on your pocket, but not deep in your pocket, or behind a jacket, or in your handbag. As you move around the hospital, the A71 pager will track your location by line of sight interacting with the infrared sensors. When it comes to infrared sensors, there are some blind spots. The staff car park, the main car park, and the garden. In the event of you setting off an emergency in any of those locations, the location will go out as your last tracked infrared sensor that you passed. For example, if you were in the main car park, it would be the reception.